Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my August Young Living Essential Rewards haul.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I think I got some good stuff. If you have any questions about oils or you'd like to buy Young Living, leave a comment below or connect with me on Instagram, send me a message. My Instagram name is the same as YouTube, Danielle Gets It Done. So first of all, I got shampoo and conditioner. Oh, that's not conditioner. And conditioner. I got the lavender shampoo and the lavender mint conditioner. So I have not tried this. I haven't heard much about it, but I'm always kind of looking for new shampoos and conditioners. I like to change it up every so often. So I'm gonna try this like right after this. Do you guys have to schedule in your washing hair time? Because I do. So I'll let you know how I end up liking that. I also got bath gel for my son. This was kind of an impulse buy, but I'm thinking he will like it. So we'll try this tonight as well. Okay, I got dish soap. I've been wanting to try this Thieves dish soap for quite a while, but I kind of always put it off. I am out of dish soap right now, so I decided this was the month to try it. So we'll see. It's expensive. Let's see. Yeah. This is $14, which granted is not a ton of money, but for dish soap, I mean, you can buy dish soap for 99 cents at Target. Granted, this is a little bigger, I think. So I don't know. I guess I don't have super high expectations because it's expensive, but I definitely want to try it. And if I do end up loving it, it might be worth it just because they're clean ingredients and I don't really want a ton of chemicals touching my dishes that touch my food. So we'll see how I like this. I think just oils now. I usually do oils first. I don't remember what I got. Oh yeah, grounding. I don't know anything about this, but I am someone who has trouble staying grounded. So I thought, hey, that's a good title. I don't know what's in it. I feel like it's pretty masculine. I like it. So I think I'll diffuse this. Let me know if you have experience with grounding and how you use it. Thieves. So this I think is this was a freebie. I think it's because I've been an Essential Rewards member for 9 months. I don't know, 6 or 9 months. I think 9. 6? I don't know. Anyway, so they send you gifts, you know, every so often. This is really timely because I think Thieves is like the ultimate fall / Christmas scent. I love that smell, and especially around that time. Thieves is awesome. It's one of my favorites. It's really good at kind of keeping your immune system healthy. I'll sometimes put a drop on the bottom of my feet before bed if I feel something coming on, and it just smells so good. Spearmint. This was a freebie this month. I don't know anything about spearmint. I'm not a huge mint lover. Oh, I actually really like that. I was not expecting to like this. It smells like gum, like spearmint bubble gum. So I really don't know what this is best used for, so let me know if you know. I'm excited to research it. I wasn't expecting to like that at all, so that's nice. Okay, the last one. Oh, grapefruit. I'm so excited about this. I've never owned grapefruit, but my parents have it in Arizona, and I have to say it's my favorite citrus oil. I don't know why it's taking me so long to buy my own. So I finally bought it this month. I'm so excited to diffuse this as well. So that is everything. Not a ton of oils, but a couple new things to try, like the shampoo, the bath gel, and the dish soap. So I'm excited to give those a try. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you like this content. I post my hauls every month. I hope you have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.